Installation video. Design flooring. Click design flooring. Hello and welcome to WINEO. My name is Patrick Ofenhausen and I'm going to show you how easy it is to lay WINEO click design flooring. You only need a couple of tools to work with and I have already got them ready. Knife, rubber mallet, folding ruler and set square. That's all you need for the job. You need to prepare the floor, of course. You can find more details about this in our Preparing the Floor video. Please also read the instructions enclosed with every pack. Prior to laying the flooring, you need to bring it up to room temperature. Unpack the flooring, stack it in small piles around the room and leave it there for at least 24 hours before you start laying it. We start by laying the Silent Comfort underlay matting. Of the raw materials used to make Silent Comfort underlay, 90% are renewable. The underlay matting is extremely resistant to pressure and provides optimum impact and footfall soundproofing. Once the Silent Comfort matting is in place, we can start laying the design floor. Here again, the same tip as before, read the instructions which guide you step by step through the process of laying the flooring. Our underlay matting should always be laid at the 90-degree angle to the direction of the flooring. The direction of installation is always dictated by the greatest light incidence in the room. That means we lay our panels with the long side facing the light. Our underlay matting has a film on the top side which has to be removed. But only pull the film back as far as you need to start laying the flooring. Then gradually pull back more as you go. Once you have removed the film, we start laying the floor in the left-hand corner. If you place a panel on the underlay, you will notice that the surface of the matting is non-slip. This is a great help when locking the system and ensures the flooring cannot move across the area. When laying click design flooring, we always leave clearance of 5 mm at the edges. You can either use appropriate spaces or just bits of the flooring. To avoid any great offset in the first row, we then start the second row with a shorter panel. This is when we need our knife and set square. We need to shorten the panel to 1/3 of its original length. If we score the surface with a knife, we can then easily break the panel in two. We now take this shorter panel and lay it in the second row by slotting it in place, sliding it at an angle of 30 degrees to the edge, not forgetting to leave 5 mm clearance, and then pushing the panel gently down. And there it is, already installed. We then return to our first row and continue with the whole panel. The benefit of our locking system is that we can lock the panels in place from both sides. All you need to bear in mind is that you always lock the short side of a panel from above. In order to cut the last panel in a row to the right length, we turn it 100 degrees, position it, not forgetting to leave 5 mm clearance, and use our set square and knife to cut off the end. We can now lock the shortened panel in place as usual. Position the panel at a 30-degree angle, slot it into the neighboring panel, press it down and tap the edge with a rubber mallet to lock the panel in place. We always lay click design flooring in a wild pattern, which means we take the leftover bits from one row to start the next. Please make sure the starting bits are not shorter than 30 centimeters. This is how quick and easy it is to lay click design flooring. Remove all the spaces and you are ready to attack the skirting boards. I look forward to seeing you again soon and remain your Patrick Ovenhausen.